Morning, YouTube. Welcome to Unbelievable Garage. Today we're going to be working on the C8 Z06. We're going to be putting the grill covers in to protect that heat exchanger there that Chevrolet should have done when they designed this car, but they didn't, so we're going to do it for them, for ourselves. So bear with me. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to go over some tools that we're going to need. One, we're going to need some kind of pry tool, because we got to remove this factory plastic piece here. I'll get you in there where you can see this piece right here. We got to take this up because we have a new one that goes with that comes with our kit. It's a little bit longer, and it's designed to lock in with the grill. It's a little bit longer than the stock. It's held on with two-sided tape. If you see right there, it locks into the new grill we're putting on. So we're going to replace that with this. We have this part, which is held on by two-sided tape. This is what the grill attaches to on the inside. It goes up in here, right in this area here. Then we have this piece that's going to go right here, right in this area. Actually, more like this. So we go in there like that. That's going to bolt in using factory bolts. So we're going to use the factory hardware to do this. Couple more tools you're gonna need. Maybe a flat end screwdriver. You're gonna need the Torx bit to take the factory hardware out of here. I think that's about it. We're gonna start with removing this piece first. So sit you here where you can kind of see what I'm doing. I've already cleaned it in here. I cleaned it with Amsoil Miracle Wash. I am a dealer for Amsoil. If you guys need some of this, just reach out. This stuff is amazing. It does wonders on your paint. Cleans it and polishes like in just one step. Well, 2 steps. You wipe it on, spray it on, wipe the debris off, and then polish it. All right, so first let's see if we can get this piece out. What I'm gonna do is get behind it here. I'm gonna move her out where I can see what's happening. It just pops out, just like that. Got a couple little tabs there that lock it into place. But that's the factory one. This is the new piece. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference there. I'm gonna lay that over to the side for now. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and clean any debris that's in here out. Get that good and clean. I've already cleaned this with the Amsoil. This piece is going to go, like I said, it's got the one tab here that fits in there. You got the two-sided tape. But right now, I'm just going to kind of stick it where it goes there. You can see it goes back in there much further. All right, next step, I'm going to install this piece. And this piece is, I guess if you've never done anything like this, it can be somewhat intimidating, but really nothing to it. It literally goes right there. It's not going to hold there, as you can see. So what I'll do is take a piece of electrical tape, just a little piece of electrical tape, and I'm just going to use that to mark where I want this piece to lay, which is it'll kind of fit itself. So once you see it's fitting itself there, just put you a piece of tape right where you want that to be. All right, now no, you can't see that, but I want let's get that on there a little better. I want this bracket to be there when I complete this. It's better to use like a masking tape, like a blue painter's tape. You can see it a little better if you use a painter's tape, but unfortunately mine has been misplaced, so I'm having to use electrical tape. So once you know where you're happy with that at, you're just going to literally remove that, make sure it's hooked up proper here. You're going to remove that tape and put it in place. That's simple. You've only got one shot at this, so kind of think it through and make sure you mark it however you need to mark it to make sure that you get it where you want it the first time, because this two-sided tape doesn't work very well after you've stuck it. So what I'll do is I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to get it where it goes, where it hooks. There's two little hooks on it. Get that where it goes. And I'm going to line it up roughly where I want it. And then I'm going to stick it. Bam, just like that. That's simple. So don't let it intimidate you. It's just two-sided tape. Now, if you mess it up, and it can happen, it's going to happen. Don't worry about it. I mean, you can buy some more two-sided tape, replace it on here. Just take that off carefully. Yeah. But if you take your time, just do everything pre. Should be fine. All right, now inside here there's two little Torx head bolts and screws that I'm going to tell you. There's one here and one here. So we're going to take those out. Careful not to damage your paint. I'll be able to do it by hand now. Probably don't want to drop these screws because they could get back there and get wedged up and never find it again. Be careful not to drop those. This is a torque screw. And now we're going to take our other bracket, this bracket here, and it's going to go just like that. Go in there just like that. So you take your first screw. Second screw. Gonna tighten these back up. Just want to snug them. You don't put no serious torque on them because it's just all this stuff is just plastic. Snug it up, just like that. All right, sneak our camera out of there. All right, now we're going to take this back up for the time being. And kind of test fit our grill. I mean, honestly, it is what it is. I'm just going to get it in there where it goes. Like it goes. You can see everything lines up really nice. Probably hard for you to see, but there are, holes in the grill as well. Right, it's hard to see, but right there, one of them lined up. The other one's up top. These are lining up good on the outside of the car. So we'll go ahead and put the push pins, I guess you could call them. They're little plastic push pins that hold this all in place. So we'll go ahead and get those on. So it's fitting really good. And these are the little push pins that come with the kit. You literally just put them in the hole and then push this, and it kind of locks it in place. So we'll get our first one in. I'll put it in here at the top. Make sure you're on the right side of that, right side of the deal there. We're gonna put our first one in. So get it in the hole first. Get our next one in. Trying to push away from me. All right, let's redirect that. Be careful not to mess your paint up. Putting these things in. All in place. Put one here to hold it. One up top to hold it. Sure why that's not lining up good, but we'll get it figured out here in just a second. Alright, let's move that. Put it in. Let's put it in first. We can get it in. Alright, let's try something else. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend that tab out just a little where it fits a little better. Put this back in. So make sure you're on the right side. There we go. Those are sandals. I like that better. A lot better. Alright, get these in next. Literally, you just push them in where you want them, lock them. Boom. There it is. Now, we got to put this piece in. This piece in kind of, like I said, it's got a little notch. I don't know if you can see that notch right there. That little notch matches up with the little notch here on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and pull our tape. Pull our sticky tape ready to go here. This stuff's kind of a pain in the butt trying to get this started. It's probably the worst part of the whole job. There's one. All right, there we go. So I'm just going to push this in here. Make sure it captures that like it's supposed to. You may have to get a little pick to help you get this going. Reach in there with your pick, kind of pull this up. There we go, just like that. Take your screwdriver carefully. Pop that where it goes. All right. That's it. That easy. Now just clean up your mess and done. That'll keep birds and bird nests and large items from damaging their heat exchanger or radiator, whatever you want to call it. I can imagine how expensive it would be to replace that heat exchanger. So protect them if you can. All right, appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll do more stuff to this old car. Thank y'all.